Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, Shib, and Avalanche in that order. First, we're going to start off on the Bitcoin chart on the daily. And we're going to talk about some of the things, I know a lot of people are going to be talking about the death cross. And I'll circle this for you guys right here. This is happening where the 50-day moving average right here, this line here, is crossing under the 200-day moving average. Okay, that's considered a death cross. Now, we had one back here. Okay, but like I like to tell you guys, usually it gets priced in before the death cross happens. You see how it crashed before the death cross even happened? Then we hit bottom. Same thing happened here, guys. The crash happened, and now we're getting the death cross. So usually it gets priced in before. So I wouldn't take that. I wouldn't take this too serious. The name is worse than what it sounds. But guys, this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the real chart. Forget this death cross and all this. This doesn't matter. All right, so we're just gonna erase that. We're looking at this trend. We've been talking about this trend on the daily, guys. We haven't got the daily candle opening and closing out of there, and then getting another candle following it up. Okay, we haven't got that yet. You can see I did this line right here. Now, I actually did not have this line for a bounce. Okay, on my video, I just had it like this. We had my main areas down here where we got our bounce off the 39 650 area. We had my targets down here. We also have my targets down here just in case it does fold. But the reason there could be a good reason for this bounce right here, and I'm going to show you guys why. We're going to go to a fib right now. Okay, we're going to go to a fib retracement. We're going to start from the bottom, work our way to the top of the move right here. Well, you can't really see it, I don't think. Okay, so right here is the 618. All right. That's exactly where we're getting this bounce. So this could be a little area we could look out for to keep the bullish momentum going here. If I can get this lined up. So yeah, right around 41, 567 area. We could see the bounce here. So let's see if that happens. What I would like to see is the daily candle closing out of here at 40, let's just say 48 or 49 to, let's say 43. Let's just go 43, guys. Let's see if 43 close. If we don't get that, because we only have about 45 minutes left, then let's see it on the next candle tomorrow. Let's see what happens. And let's see if this 618 holds up. If it doesn't, then yeah, we could be looking at these lower levels at the 4,500. Let's see, about 4,500 area, or even back down to test this 39,650 area. Okay. To the upside, like I said, let's just get couple candles closing above 43, and then maybe we can push up to the 45, 500 to 46 area. Let's see. Let's look at the RSI real quick, guys. We are in this falling little wedge here. Now, this is a bullish pattern. So let's see. Right now, we got rejected at it, so that's not good. We want to see a break. If we do get a breakout here, we want to get back above the 50, which would be the target. Get above the 50. Maybe come up, test the 60, get rejected. This is what I found with RSIs over the years, guys. You can see the 50. So if we come up and we come out of this and we test this green and we come back down and retest this 50 and go, that's usually a very, very bullish sign. And that's usually we can see a move back up to the upside and get past the 70 and then get it back up into this green box where we could be looking for some profit. And by then, maybe we could see new highs or at least, up to the $60,000 range. But we'll have to play that as it goes. But right now, that's what I'm looking at the RSI, guys. Let's see, the MACD. The MACD will continue to cross above. It'll continue to go up as long as we're above 41,872 on the daily. If we to cross below, it'd have to be 39,560. Okay, so that's what we're looking at for the MACD. Let's see. Anything else? I think that's it. So let's see if we can hold this area right around 41,500, and let's see if that holds. If it doesn't, then yeah, We could see a little bit more downside. We just want to get past this trend. We want to break out of this trend right here, guys. Ethereum, same thing. You could see here we had a nice little bounce here. We're just going to go Fib. Let's see what lines up with the Fib here. Let's see. Come back down. Nope. Right here. See this? This is not actually bouncing off my Fib, but it is bouncing off my line that I did from the other day for my video that I did a couple days ago, right around this 3140 area. And you could see back here, guys, where we got the support. We got a touch here, touch here. We got some touches over here. So that is good support. So we are getting a bounce there. So let's see if that holds up. We can get rid of this Fib because that means nothing. Oops, sorry. Let's see. Boom. There we go. So, yeah. So let's see if this area holds up, 3140 area. If that doesn't hold up, then, yeah, we could see the 3,050 to even the 3,000 even mark, okay? And I would love to get past the 200-day moving average. That's coming in right around 3471. So let's see if that happens. Short term, let's see if we can just get back above 3420 area. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Let's go to RSI real quick. Let's see what we got on the RSI. We do have this little channel, falling channel here. We want to break out of this. The top of the target would be right around 57. So let's see if that happens. And then we get a retest, like I said, on Bitcoin and go higher. So that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Let's see, anything else? MACD on the daily. Wow. This is very, very low. As long as we're above 3191, this will continue to cross to the upside. If we get under 3019, 3020 area, then yeah, we could be going back down even farther, which, I mean, guys, look how low this MACD is. I mean, this is waiting. We are waiting for a move just to explode to the upside. Let's see the control zones here, guys. Enters bear control zone right around my 29 level, and then critical is around the 1792, which could get ugly if it drops under there. And so we do have some of those levels, so that's very interesting. And cross mid is around 32. It's 3198, so that's like mid control. It's like a battle. And then it enters the bull zone, control zone above 34. So let's see if that happens. Let's see if we can get back above 34, get the daily above there. I didn't look at that for Bitcoin. Let's go back and look at that for Bitcoin, guys. Let's see if it matches my zones as well. I don't go based off this. I draw up my own charts. I do everything on myself. And then I look at this to see if it kind of matches up. And you know what? Look at this, guys. Enters bear control zone around 39,700, kind of where we have our 39,650 area. So it's very close. Enters critical level around 32,700, which I think I have that too also as well. We'll go back and check that. It enters, mid-levels around 41,500, which we talked about that at the 618, which we currently got the bounce off of. So that lines up. And then let's see if we can get above 42, 42,700. And then look at this, 45,700 area enters a critical bull zone. So that could get very bullish above there. Let's see what we have, guys. Look at this. We got the 45. We have the 618. We have the 39. And we also have the 32,500. So let's see what happens here, guys. That could be, those could be possibilities. Let's go to Matic so you guys know that. Matic, look at this, guys. From my video I did a couple days ago, look how good technical analysis works. We got our bounce right in between. I said anywhere from 216 to almost 217. And look, right in the middle of it, just exactly as we predicted. We got the bounce perfect. We also got the rejection right off my 245. So I want to see this 216 hold up. Let's get past 230 again, and let's get above this 245 that we talked about. That's what I'm looking at for Matic. What else did I see there? Oh yeah, and we're also looking to get above the 50-day moving average that could act as resistance. That's coming in right around 226. Let's look at the control zones. We have 205. Oh, that was another thing. Look at this, guys. So I have 204, right? I want to see this 204 hold up if this does break down. If 216 holds up, I want to see this 204 and $2 area hold up. Almost 205, so it's pretty close. But let's look back at this. This is, let's see, 205, 226. We just talked about that. And then enters a really nice zone above 282, which we're not there yet. So let's see what happens. Let's look at the MACD. The MACD will continue to drop. See, anything under $2, that doesn't work. So it looks like it is falling. Let's look at the RSI real quick, guys. We are in this falling wedge. So let's see what happens. It's getting rejected just like everything else. I want to see us get back above the 50, retest, and go. So let's see if that happens as well. I think that's it for Matic. Let's see how much time I got left. Okay. So Cardano, guys, was a beautiful move. Look at this, guys. Did we call this perfect? This was a 35% trade, guys, from my video from the other day. Look at this. 32%. Okay. We talked about this. We hit this trade, right? Got rejected. Then I said, all right, guys, look, I'm going to take this trade once we break out of this channel here. Boom, we broke out of channel, retested the 50-day, came back down, got my bounce off the 124, got a break above the 128. Okay, once we got that candle closing above there, got above the 50, which was 135, and then boom, got a bounce, came back, closed this candle at 140, got the bounce off my 138. I didn't change these lines. Okay, boom, and then we came up, and now we're testing my area again, my box area again. Now, something very interesting, guys. I'm going to show you this now. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Okay, so now you can see we have this bigger trend. This is the move, guys. We break this move, we could be testing these higher time frames big time here with Cardano. This could be a nice trade if we can retest this move. So what I want to see, we're getting rejected right here on my box. This is the trend. We got the trend line. So I want to see this happen. Come out of this trend, get a candle closing, opening, a daily. Okay, if we come back down and retest it and then bounce, okay, that'd be very, very bullish. And then maybe we can get past this 175, get past this 191 to $2 area, and then test this $2.40, $2.47 area, and then push our way back up to 280. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for there. Let's look at the control zones. We have 135, okay, 171, and all right, so midline is at 120. Enters the bear zone around 97, which we talked about in a video a long time ago, but I don't think it's going there right now. Exit bull control zone around 135, enters critical zone around 171. So let's go back and look at my chart here. Okay, and what do we have? We have 168 and 175. So I want to see us get back. I want to see us get above 175, okay? Especially because the 2-day or the 200-day moving average is coming in right around 182 as well. So we got to keep an eye on that. What'd they say? 138. So I have 138 here, guys. Actually, no, I don't think I had anything here. I actually think I put that there recently because I think I had nothing there. So the 138, the reason I put that there is because I don't want to see it going under 138 because we have support here. Plus, we don't want to make a new low on this candle. I might have had that. I got to go back and look at that, but I don't think I did. I actually think I just put that there. We could also look at, let's see. No, this won't work because it's the MACD won't work, but it is crossing above. So let's see if that continues. We're running out of time here. Cardano's looking good. Solana, we got rejected in my zone. We are above the 200-day moving average, which is coming in right around 138. I would like to see us stay above 135 and 130. And let's see if we can get back up into this bigger pattern here that I got drawn up, that we got rejected at, which is not good. And I would like to see us get a daily candle closing above 150. Okay, critical control zones. We're going to be looking at 136, 145, 171. So the midline is 136, which pretty much we just talked about, 136, 135. Enters bull control zone around 145, so it could start to get a little bit bullish above there, and then enters the critical level above 171, which then it could look really nice. Enters bear control zone around 121, so we definitely don't want to see it break that 130. And let's see what we got here. Yeah, look at this. This is in my box where they have it too. And you could see actually the 50-day too up there. So that's very interesting. So let's see. Let's keep an eye on that. We'll look at the MACD real quick. It will continue to fall as long as we're under 140, which we currently are, and it'll cross below. Yeah, I mean, it'll cross below if we get below 130. So let's see. It could get a cross under there because we're under 140 right now. So we need to get it up above 140 to get the MACD going. Shib, how much time do I have? I got a little bit of time. Shib, we got a rejection right at my zone. Guys, I haven't did a video in a couple days. Look, boom, got a rejection off that 33. And now we're coming back into my box here. But let's do this. Let's look at the fib. Let's pull up a fib. Okay, let's see where we're getting the 618. Okay, so the 618, we're actually getting a bounce off the 618. So let's see if that continues, just like Bitcoin, which is coming in right around this 28 mark. Okay, right around the 28.30 mark. So let's see if that happens, or actually, pretty much around that area. Now, if that area doesn't hold, I would like to see us hold this 2750 area. We're going to draw that up right there. 2750 area, critical control zone. Let's see here. That's not going to show because it's too low, and either is the MACD. So let's look at the RSI real quick. RSI, we're in this wedge. Let's see if we break out of that wedge. But I think that's it for SHIB. Well, let's look at some levels real quick. So we talked about the downside. To the upside, I just want to see us get past this 33, get a daily candle closing above there for more continuation to the upside. Cardano. I'm sorry, Avalanche, guys. We got rejected at my trend, which I didn't want to see, guys. It sucks that we have this trend. We came up. This is why I always talk about the second candle. Got rejected in there in my zone, and it failed to stay above this trend. And then we came back down, got a bounce off my line, got rejected again at the trend and my rejection box at 95. And now we are getting a little support there, coming in right around 85. Let's pull up a fib real quick. Let's see if that matches anything we got going on. Yes, and that's coming in right around our 618 as well. So that's good. How much time do I have? I got 1 minute, so I'll make this quick. We'll look at the control zones here real fast for you guys. The control zone, 86, which we're currently at. So that's mid-scale. We're in the middle. Enters bear zone, control zone around 73, 96, and enters bull control zone around 96 and 131, which we have on our charts. Look at this, guys. Look at this. We have the 96 right here. This is the top where we got rejected at the 96 area. And we also have the 72 right down here. Okay. So let's see if we could stay above those areas. Let's see if we can stay above the 618 currently coming at 85. And let's see what happens there, guys. That's it for tonight's video. Much love, and I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. Peace out, guys. Love you guys all.